Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over how you can stream free music on your iPhone or iPad. That's right, I said free. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of technology tutorials or guides, how-tos, all that good stuff. So if you're a viewer and you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button, be a part of the team. Today's video is all about how to stream free music from your iPhone. So what do I mean by that? So think about think of it as a free alternative Spotify that you can stream music for free. Can't download it, but you can stream for free. So as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection and data, a lot of data on your phone, unlimited data maybe, you can stream unlimited for free, no ads. You don't have to pay for anything, none of that. And the good thing about this is you can have your phone powered off. Like you can keep it off, do other things, have the music blasting. You want to mow the lawn, clean the house, do whatever. You don't have to keep your phone on while the music plays. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to AirPlay on my iPhone to show you what I mean, and we will begin. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go to your App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Find it for me and click on it. Then I want you to search for something called Musi, M-U-S-I, and click on the first search result. Actually, the second one, I'm sorry. Click on the second search result. Okay, so if you scroll down to your second option, you're going to find Musi, music streaming without limits. Just click on download for me. I already have it downloaded, but just hit download for me. And once that's done, I want you to find it. Mine's going to be all the way at the end here. It's just the orange background with a white, maybe M, a couple M's. Click that for me. So here we are. We said, welcome to Musi. Add tracks to your library by searching songs and adding them to Musi. So you can actually make playlists that you can listen to whenever you want. So I'll show you how this works. Basically, you're searching YouTube, but without limits. Like I said, you don't have to have your phone on while you stream the music. So if I click on search down here, right, and I can search for whatever I want. I could search for Savage Love by Jason Derulo, and I can click on the first one. I'm only going to play a little bit. I don't want to get a copyright strike, but just to show you an example of what I mean, I can click it, and it plays. Now I can pause it. I could turn my phone off while it's playing, and it will continue to play. I don't have to keep the screen on necessarily. So now that it's playing, or now that it's, I have a song pulled up, I can hit add down here, and I can create a new playlist. And I can just make it, Matt's playlist, and I can hit done. So I created it, and I will hit done to add it to the playlist. Okay, so now this track was added to my playlist. Now if I do another search, go back here, and I'll search for, Sam Hunt. Pulls up all Sam Hunt's videos, and I can just click on one. ESPN alert, don't mind that. But it will play the video, but it's actually the song. So if you maybe don't want that one, you can search for another one, maybe like this one. And it doesn't pull up the ads, pulls up no ads, pulls up nothing for you to watch to play the song. And I can just hit add, and I can do Matt's playlist, and I can hit done. So if I go all the way home, I go to my library, those two songs are added to my playlist. So if I wanted to, I can click on it, click the power button on my phone, and my playlist should play automatically. So right there, if I go to playlist, Matt's playlist has 2 tracks. I can click on it, I can shuffle it, I can play one song, turn my phone off, and it will constantly play what's in my playlist. So like I said, guys, this is just a free way to stream music. You can do this anywhere you want as long as you have unlimited data or a Wi-Fi connection. Doesn't matter. You'll get no ads. You don't have to pay for anything. I mean, this is just awesome. You can just stream free music whenever you guys want. So hopefully this helped, guys. That's how to download Musi, free streaming on your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. If you want me to do anything tutorial-wise, if you can think of anything you want me to show you, teach you, drop it down in the comment section below. I'm going to give a big shout out to my new subscribers. Thank you for supporting this channel. And if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next video.